First of all, we're going to do one of the problems together. You ready? So we're going to take a look at today's social media problem of the day. So let's take a look at it up on the board right now. So can you read that problem for me?
16 plus -5 plus 8 plus -4.
Right, good. So I'm glad that you said the negatives in there because that's what those are, right? So you've got a positive and a negative next to each other. So when you look at that, how do you think you want to approach this problem? How would you like to start solving it?
I would start by doing 6 plus -5, and then I'd solve the next half of the problem and then add those together.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start going through it. All right, so tell me what you're going to do first.
So first I'll do 16 plus -5.
And what would that get?
11.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive 11.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're at positive 11.
And then add 8, which equals 19.
Okay.
And then add -4, which equals 15.
Now you said we were at 19, but then you said we're going to add something, but the number went down.
Because since it's a negative, the number would go down.
Okay. So you think the answer is 15?
Yeah.
Positive 15.
Yeah.
All right. Now, before we do that, are there any other ways to do it instead of just going in order from left to right, straight across like that, do you think?
I'm not sure.
Okay, well, here, let's try this. How many positive numbers are up there?
2.
And how many negative numbers are up there?
2.
All right, if we take just the positive numbers and add those up, what do we get?
24.
24, because we're taking 16 and 8.
Yeah.
Now, if we take the negative numbers and put those together, what do we get?
-9.
Negative 9.
Yeah.
So if we have 24 and -9, which is the same as 24 minus 9,
Yeah.
what's that?
15.
That's another way to do it, right?
Yeah.
Does that seem a little bit easier maybe?
Yeah.
Right? So sometimes kids get confused looking at all the different symbols in there and the operations. So sometimes if you just make like a score sheet, the positive numbers and the negative numbers, put them all together, add them up, and whichever number has the most, that will tell you if the answer is going to be positive or negative, and you just take the difference between those two numbers. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right. So let's take a look. Why do you think 33 is up there? Because 33 is up there twice as a positive and a negative.
I'm not sure. Maybe people might have added all across or not looked at the negatives.
Okay, they probably may have just added them all the way
Yeah.
across, right? Because if you take 16 and 5, what do you get?
21.
Plus 8,
29.
plus 4.
33.
So that's probably why the 33 is up there,
Yeah.
right? They may have just added all of them up, and that could give you a 33. And then somebody might, why do you think it's negative 33?
They might have got thrown off because there's negatives in the problems.
Right, they see negatives and they're like, oh, there's a negative in there, let's make it a negative, right?
Yeah.
All right, but you're still going to go with C15 after
Yeah.
all of this?
Yes.
All right, let's take a look and see if indeed C is correct. There you go, first problem well done. That wasn't too bad, was it?
Yeah.